In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image behind text in Google Docs. This is a fantastic way to create visually appealing documents, whether you're making a flyer, designing a poster, or simply adding some flair to your presentations. So let's dive in and explore the steps together to make your documents stand out. First, let's start by inserting your image into Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs and navigate to the menu at the top. Click on Insert, then proceed to Image. You'll find multiple options for where you can upload your image from. You can choose your computer, your Google Drive, Google Photos, or even paste a URL from the web. Once you've selected the appropriate location, click on the image you'd like to insert. This action will place the image neatly into your document, and you're one step closer to achieving that polished look you're aiming for. Now we need to set the image behind the text. Click on the image you've just inserted. A toolbar will appear, making it easy to manage your image. Proceed by clicking on Image Options. Alternatively, you can right-click on the image and select Image Options from the drop-down menu. You'll want to focus on the text wrapping section. Here, choose Behind Text. This setting allows your text to float effortlessly on top of the image. Feel free to adjust the size and position of your image as needed to ensure everything looks just right. Next, let's add some text on top of your image for that personalized touch. Click anywhere on your document where your image is placed and start typing your desired text. To make sure your text stands out, highlight it. Click and drag your cursor over the text you want to emphasize. You'll see a pencil-like icon called Text Color in the toolbar above. Click on that and select the Highlight tab. Choose a highlight color that complements your image and makes your text pop. Yellow is always a vibrant choice, but feel free to choose what fits best. Lastly, let's make sure your text is clearly visible against the background. If you find the text blending too much with your image, don't worry, there are easy fixes. You can alter the highlight color to see if a different shade improves visibility. Another option is using a bold font to make the letters stand out even more. If these simple tweaks aren't cutting it, consider adding a text box. This is possible by using the drawing tool, which offers more control over text placement.